Yeah, but like me for kumara ba because ni ajibe political mu feneri mi aron ko mol manya ne da bondi la because it is very important ye da ki je bang abira balu ko no ime da ki je bang abira balu ko no comme ndella jang manki mo be di bare mo femba kalaka understanding so do because ka jere ni e da don di political ko no ibe fandu ndi kam fengolo ko no mim man senea ibe fandu ndi kam fengolo ko no mim violent wala ibe fandu ndi kam fengolo ko no mi alon ko amanke punyati. So to nyalo ni ajibe much of our politics janga man senia but telephone la nyanta kandadu ndi ka senen ko politiko ko nga fo nyame abira balu lo kono e ga politician ol mil tombong ke londe hanite man carte fa ite date politique to ila maralo wo be boyle kan madame be gambe balu kono so nyanda ka dun mol fon e nanan e hammo so ka dum politiko kono ka good decision olta pour ila banko e ay samba nyaato ye ndengo jo kuleti mi alo is very important.
Comme ya fo nyami politiko ni kulo mi alon ko it's part of our life and on this amongst that be you understand whether we take it or we leave it, it is part of us. You understand? So kulo mi alon ko mo manya na tula ko because ni ajibe awareness ni mimbije ndesa fono is very low at the level. You understand? Because ni ajibe Gambia, the level we are at, we celebrated our 60 independence. Yeah. So Gambia manke banko to mi alon ko dindi banko lo. You understand? Ke balle bijang, ke balle tambita jang, and then molle mi alon ko they fought for this country. You understand? So ni ajibe yetuba bol fankele. Kulo mi alon ko we come together. Yeah? The reason is so that we come together as one people, one nation. You understand? And then within us we will have our own government like could be centralized and in decentralization obeke ntol damantemo. You understand? It whether you go you elect somebody or somebody elect you. You understand? You are still within the political environment. You understand? Because Niajibe, if you want to say like you wanna escape let's say the political environment here, then it means you will not stay here because it's either you govern or you are governed. You understand? So kulo mi along ka kumayat bakele pur hadama dingol mbinga along nanyantolom and then kulo mi along ko we cannot stay without it. You understand? So ya fo nyame the level of understanding and then sensitization no wo fa na nyanda kelale because ni ajibe knowledge tarata dawo direct karangole ketaje. You understand? So we keep helping and then come all sensitize ka fo ko political manke kuti mi alon ko mo nyanda malala. You understand? Nanyantolo, as citizens of this country, we are supposed to advocate for our rights as, let's say, we are the voters, we are the electorates here. You understand? It's either we vote or we don't. But we are still the citizens of this country. So, important bakele pour yeda ke ila banko la koto ni mu multi mi alon ko ya patriotic ilafta ila banko la nyato tala ila banko la development ola. It's important. Molamen.
Yeah, lo kuma altimi alon ka na fa warra bakele yeah la fana mi je lafta damil lalaje because ni ajibe our political parties Gambian na political party ka politico ke nyami because ka ajibe le politics is like a marketplace of ideas ya understand ka idea le sia alnyanta fatala ku jamal le but the fundamentals alnyanta agree la wala yo bandela jang ni ajibe political party comme ikatra nyaming ndefi self interest like more la selfish interest like a national interest supersede so wala na jam politico fana makoma because ninga the electorates million the voters ningol ma nyala mi alongo is very good because ngami fo la ko fengolo mi ala be kerine daily nyabala so itel fanan ka carte 5 million nyantol fanan na kumo fola So let's talk about it. Like near Gambia politician or GB, we put them on a test. Near bullet test letter, I understand. Like on an assignment, Latiela Mojama in the political history of the Gambia. Nga karte faye, nga palaso ludila. I understand. Bari mol jama ani mo femba man na kontan ko le nata min soto ye karte fay mol mi ye. Wala ka mo jama jikila tendi karte fa o nyina karwa. So na politician on nyandaga understand ne. This country has been in shit for too long. Yeah, understand. Ninto nyabe fola nyimbango abe maral jawo konole for what wala mi alon ko amita. Abe fuare ya konole, abe kole ya konole. So sign foundation on nyanda lala de pour sone ya na banko kam because nyimbango mbele dental. So ila selfish interest and ila personal interest imanya no chibe la ise nyo sabakura nte nyimpile nga minje mimpas ma like masakundala spending masakundala nying political party karra nyi was nyanda sodla but the fundamentals nyanda agree na wala andu ntel buka agree wala because mo be nya katra ko kan mi ala mbe alon ko is not good but because of amete nafa or amete febo you don't wanna against it yeah understand wala nyanda banna banko kan mambulo du nyoko ay ta nyaato yeah
coming mbafo kan no nyame rek awareness nyinetije because ni ajibe ila mansakunda is just like a servant to you. You understand? Like electing them is like taxing them. You are giving them a role for them to play. You understand? But in ni ajibe like mol mi alonko ya lonne like the government is their government. You understand? Imansia like wala na mbafo kanko sensitization also is very important because ni ajibe mo mam fengo millo pour ayake usually difficulty kanaje bakele. You understand? So kulo mi alonko we are lacking. You understand? We are lacking seriously. And then kulo mi alonko fana is very crucial when it comes to politics. You understand? Saying your point of mima walong politician ulti and then like the political parties. The political parties we were having here since after independence, before independence and now. You understand? Kulom mi alonko ajarta ka discourse le. Because ni ajibe these political parties they are like the source of inspiration for this nation because ni ko nyijibe ye dawo damarek itul leje nyaton kaya. You understand? Because as a people we cannot make any decision here. You understand? Bari mimbentol kan wolon ka diam molye to make sure that they understand politics amuku minti and then anyanta nafa min nati lantolye our limitations to the government and the government's duties towards us. You understand? So kulo mi alon ko akumayata bakele the electorate inyanta alon naliko mansakunda manke mansakunda fangotade. You understand? Mansakunda people's own the mansakunda because ni mansakunda fango jibe mansakunda ndole keje. You understand? Mansaki kele mansati ni election o ma landije. You understand? Unless otherwise bari wo molman ala dani nga futaje at the moment hanin say like nga foye nyame rek sensitization no la nyanda kala and then the political parties and party leaders they should be like inyanta understand nako being leaders is not just a mere thing. You understand? Kulo mia lonko you take responsibility ye mola jiko mole jiko min laite kan you make sure that you take it to the latter part. You understand? And then at the end of the day even like if you are not like you didn't continue your term, I can say maybe you lose through election or something kulo mia lonko mo be kontan na ila kulale people would be happy to call you their former president. You understand? Because ni ajibe we had presidents that were here, people like Sadauda Kairaba Jawara mollo mi alonko we are so happy when their names are mentioned amanke fenti fenti fo ila bete ay minke for this country, you understand. So konyim belari wala nyama, the government or the political parties should understand their role as political parties. They are supposed to sensitize the electorates, even they are militants sometimes, because ni AGB they make up a very important part of the country. You understand? Mol minka voting ke and mil buka voting ke milka voting ke ni AGB Mohammed wale kasia. You understand? So if we vote, and for example, let's say you vote and I didn't vote, you understand? Election no tambida fa pareda. The repercussions are going to be on all of us, regardless of being a voter or not. You understand? So, Kulo Mialongo, it's very important. The inclusivity of the people here, Kulo Mialongo Akumayata Bakel. Ah,
Yeah, ila kumo nyin kule te mi yalon ko afengeta le no. They are all important. Ya kuma jamal le fo jam mil yalon ko kuma yata bagele no. So sa lefa kuma ye topic jamal le ma jam mil kuma yata ye bondi moli yo nyoto ye mol la fa londo la kudol to. So ite la advice mu muneti ye kumo min be fo jang. Sa ite be gambeno advice la munella pour politique kuwol to ila political awareness anin kudol mil yale kuma yata. Isa jeng programme ñu sorondi wala you know.
okay. Coming among, it's not much different from among Fatabake. Mbe min fokan. You understand? Molsa lonko politiko mu kuleti mi alonko ntolle tam amanke keloti amanke nyo saboti, you understand. This is just a very smooth way of expressing ourselves, you understand. So politiko manya na kela fulo ka mandinko ne jola ka fulo ne, you understand. So kulo mi alonko we take it to heart and then now understand like the purpose is to unite people instead of separating them or dividing them instead, you understand. So mbe kuonyi lala nyame o finish la nyame walonko mba fola Gambiano le let them be ya try ko ye understanding soto. Like I know they understand. Dolby they have the understanding, but then yeah try those that understands. Will ya dol sensitize. Milma understand because niya jibe politico enyo sabodra tinda oda understanding netije because politico is supposed to unite. It's supposed to help us develop as a nation, and then Nima unite. There is no development. Like this unity itself is part of it's a loss. You understand? Because the moment we divide, that's the moment we stop developing. You understand? So Kulo Mi Alonko, if we want to develop and if we want to be a better nation in the future, we are gonna come together, stick together, and work together as a people. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Balde. I'm very happy.
Thank you, sir.